ya twende kembele tena. Matthew chapter number 18 and verse number 18. That's where we're going to start our journey today as we are standing. Matthew chapter 18, verse number 18. Just stand there and walk with me as I start this journey. Now, Ambia, within the next 1.5 hours, we'll be hitting the highest level in this ministration. As we conclude the affliction of the Destined, this topic, this ministry, we are gonna finish it at a high gear. I am your pilot, Dr. Gitahi. I'll take you to the highest altitude today. So, be ready with your seatbelt. Funga mchipi sawa tutapaa kwa futi 47,000 mwinuko dhidi ya bahari. Height above the sea level. Or we're gonna do 50,000 feet. Let's go higher. You know, the higher you go, the able you are able to make your enemy nab. The speed ugethi na the feet ya igoro abata igoro muno no guotho yaku egadaga ne nabaga. You know nabbing ko nab. By the way, ndiragorire macogo mange hando na ne maranagenaga ngari-ini na makenda ona gwiteithia bata munene ona munini. So the solution, I started feeling homa. And I'm a scientist. I told my driver, now engage the higher gear. Now I don't want you to do 100 kilometers per hour or 120 kilometers per hour. Do higher speed. So the higher we pick the speed, the knob they became. No kega ikegaga igatweka nabu na itiaga birarege no komashi komaga. When you go slow, you are prone to attack. Wakati unatembea pole pole uko kwa hatari ya kukamatwa. Like now, those women who walk slowly in the street, ne magutha go thimo, ne magutha go effect. Aromera mathia ka street ne mahura go geta. But when you are walking fast, you make the enemy nab. I'm telling you scientifically and practically. Myself, I drove Mashogo, Makiri, because the speed we are doing, they cannot negotiate. Today we are sending our enemies to confusion. Another pilot, akendegerwa kana ndege. A transport koma flori matana nyamo imwe nekogera mageraga. Like now, kuko kwa kina Bolt, Jamaica there was no tiger. So Jamaica was given a tiger race here by Honorable Kibaki when he was here. Now no ginya transport o ginya kwao. Now there is a person who promised to give me a horse. Yago Canada from Spain. Ate yago na Canada. The challenge now is how to transport it from Spain. Now that's the problem. They will go back to the you see. Now, anyway, let me come to the transporting of animals. So travelers started screaming, the pilot actually what to do. He had to communicate with the control tower. Now tower maramu iratereri. Nyokai shogotro to shike kwore itemo. Mamori ya wemita wefiti kirisiga na igoro. Akiuga giri that thiri. Makemora abatana igoro giri 40. Ogerera mugwaja go at 40. Lere abatiri ya igoro. Nyoka hare yari. Degiadira rege. Todo ya toro igoro ya tu kanabu. Sia komiri ogu. Otake kuoge ko idetio nyoba. So when you see me trying to pull you up to take you to another level, I want you to make some problems now. And the snakes in your life be nabbed. Mashogo making noise in your car to be silent. So read with me. 1, 2, 3.
Kumwira tele nama indo ciothe iria mukoha gũkũ thĩ nĩ ikohwo igũrũ na indo ciothe iria mukohora gũkũ thĩ nĩ ikohorwo igũrũ.
Look at this properly. I always love when you consume, not only reading, consume, digest, and consume. Gomwera terere nama, ogo ne kuga hatire mahe, na hatire na gaja. I think English Bible says verily, 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 verily. It's only that Jerome may be not having this version. Yeah, verily. I say, I continue.
Whatever ye shall bind on earth shall be bound in heaven, and whatever ye shall loose on earth shall be loosed in heaven.
This is the mandate I'm giving you this morning. A set was given to me by my Father, who speaks to me from heaven, that whatever you shall bind on earth, verily I say unto you, it shall be bound in heaven. So any problem competing with you, bind it now. Tuweka kwa Kiswahili kwa sababu ya shosho wa kama. Na ninataka tutafutiwe shosho wa Soweto. Tuwe na shosho wa kutosha. Amini na waambieni.
Yote mtakayoyafunga duniani yatakuwa yamefungwa mbinguni, na yoyote mtakayofungua duniani yatakuwa yamefunguliwa mbinguni.
Start it now. Start it now. Take a minute. Funga yale unataka kufunga. You are given power to funga. Funga magonjwa. Funga upepo. Even the praise team, you can sit down because ndirathi na brenda kurutana na mwandu akifundithio nienda gwakoro ya relaxete in a relaxed mood ukahota guthikiriria. Tukore tukithie na mbere na rugendo rwa kwariria andu ariega na andu moe mekundu mathiaga na ono mothe we are starting with the same people because uharibifu huanza mahali pema. Hakuna kitu kibaya kinaweza haribika. I say uharibifu huanza mahali pema. That's why the book of Isaiah, even if you are not reading, you can quote or write down. We did it last time. Isaiah chapter 14 verse number 12. Inamuita Shetani the star of the morning star. I can quote verbatim. Isaiah 14:12. How you have fallen from heaven, morning star, son of the dawn. You have been cast down to the earth. You have once laid low the nation. Once you see a person so beautiful and so smart, if hakoro hatire na igongona ri kurutwo undoini ucio wa wega ucio hena thina. Let me tell you from the beginning. Gushire shaitani na to understand haha ndari moru muthuri uyu atoire matuine na noigwa nginya maritwa make aretwa moro wa rucini njata ya kiroko tondu waria ahanaga. So if you are here and you perceive that you have greatness in you, magerio me hakuhi muno nawe na andu aria mahana ta magatuika tio matuikaga, aria mahana ta tario nio matuikaga, tondu aria mahana tario mweteo nio mathinagia nio meheragia mbere. So there are people who cannot even be managed by the coach. They are good footballers, but they cannot play football. Todo football is discipline. By the way, you know when you get football. Taro dira ida toro. Nyamare kete. Nyamare kete view. But I had one question. You know the mutia de mufira. But there are those who are fun. Niki gitumaga wiki wacha thiini utengerete pio uthithinete pio ukihura mupira haifuku riri iguru haria mwenaine na mundore na maitho inyuothe haria mwena wake wanja hakandikwo ritwa riaku ate umire modo ngeigere na ti juko na ti online na ti side chat na ti inbox TV ciathe igorete hakandikwo mwani out very cool in firiki ahuho muthaki ucio othe firiki ahuho mathomaga kibao kiria ona niwe magutikoragwo ngarari wonaga uguo nikumira na magatungana na rora ikira makagaithania high five ona ange makahembaniria uguo makaigira thini wa wira wa Ngai ungiromwe haria acoka ha hoki ungi iyo ni ministry jero yajia huyu ameanza kanisa igero getitashoka haha wethi haria uyu ni wathira kanitha because those who you think are not goko gutire mundu rehagwo mucara onomwe ahoria mufira marehagwo billions per week na mani ararutwo guo akaumira ihenya na niyo niki tondu rira tuikire mundu wa mufira maisha makene mahothaire kwinyihia matikoragwo na thuti makona thuru ari na t-shirt ya nylon guo citakinyetie 3,000 athukome milioni 100 nie ndi haha na thuti ya 20 njoke muhothe 2,000 maundu mahingicanu ta nyoka sina asha hapa naweza kunisaidia kurudisha hii kitu kwa mwenyewe lakini itwalie ma look at her gweno ndagi tokoro hakuhi 7,000 inyanya na kou nego ikara haha na ndari kindu ariuma nakio no imwana icio hwaini ndamo invite nyothe TV ni cianyu muthimo rore KBC kuma thaa 5 ni mokuona andu metagwo Cote d'Ivoire magitungana na Nigeria arume mena tukuo tohana tomithi nginya mena baika theinie to mathurane mau mena mo ni marie na ringi ni angegwa no muone o undu they are forced to do bikers inside nigetha agitire maundu ma kianyitirire bururi mundu ucio ngimurora oguo nguirie humbite citikinyitie 3,000 no ngarire gukite nayo ena Lamborghini ni mo Lamborghini gari ya bilioni na kindu na ingisite kwa Ferrari gari imwe ni ya milioni 70 kana 100 ya kindu niyo okire nayo no aroerwo kibawa kaumira wewe na njuire ya shilingi 40 wash and blow dry na witurikana muremi adoge hute kaginya ne muthuri gwa kuhonoka muthuri agwo kokero gukoga touch not the anointed one touch not the anointed one thou koja kahodera gesa ya King James thou shall not orero no muthuri no turatwarana na wewe ni ugore uthie we ni uguthie handu hawe ndo sofu ne kikirato mo oigatwo ukauga back to the sender urasendera back ate back to the sender na muthuri waku asende back I am telling you the discipline of some field makes those people be stars. I had a very good time with when I youth were to here. Tulikuwa na retreat. Nili enjoy maguku, masere, mamisere maigi, masoda. Ako we mo youth na donoka. Ni ugukura okoro moru muno kurari ginya makeki. Ako we mo youth na donoka ni ugukura uru. Turari na ihinda we na no ni muyuthiro rari the youngest thini wa yuthi yo dauma haha ndirathie farewell ya OCS witu Chief Inspector Mbogo wa Goko West ni arathire na niwega dimini umenye oguo na tunaletwa mwingine Chief Inspector Njoroge ndirare kuma gari oyo na kwa mukiro oyo as a leader wa area no wa church leader and a businessman. I was able to meet with very many guys. But let me tell you, kiria makiria tondu igongona rari ria birithi asha marari birithi Ndiracirwo ni irio tu aturabiki aria mamunyitaga haha nio maraheaga irio aria marugamaga haha thiasa Gloria mwathani mena gucia mucina ndongemenya tika mundu am corporal sergeant ndongemenya no kira makirie igongona riria ritwo rikwambia tha thinashara rirajirie exactly thinashara borithi ni borithi na rirarithire thainya na nuthu nirio rirathirire gutire mwario tararetie na gutire kindu gitarekitwo na gutire mundu tararite nini njikite igongona tondu ndiraia ate uria JJ tukugarira njia thaa 10 no ria njirie thaa 3 cio tuku maana unadiru na raia na wewe mwenyewe ni raia discipline atia Mungu tu na asifei tulikuwa na mweni ali boycott another character alikataa kuja tulikuwa na wengine wenyu huko thaa 10 niguo posta yandikitwo thaa 10 metha ni njare thaa 10 irio ni pake but event is starting 4 or 5 hours later ohiki tukaga na thaa 4 okaga thaa 8 but jana I learned something because hii kitu ni watu disciplined coordinator ni polisi wanaopika ni polisi wanaoserve ni polisi mwenye event ni polisi wanaoalikwa ni polisi saa 12 ilikuwa imeanza ndio ndirakinyira thinashara ndaika 25 taraia kama raia tu hakuhugu thaa mweroretwe kiraia hendo ndimuhurira kinya thimu ne uma warie handu-ini yani ndi guku ndera boni yarekethi kajira ihe kaundu kangitu kwenda gomenye ndamura boni rekethi tu ihe nduhuritwo mbica na cia rindi wa yuthi ihe boni rekethi ihe ne ingia kuonia wa muyo ai mundu angeire kethi handu hangi ndirathi haca kota patroni ndaretie maradidia because ni raia kwa polisi ureragwo na unaongea kwa kifupi ukarugama yuria tiriri how does this life go so there is a lot tuteaga na turagwo nimo na tuteaga ni kwaga discipline in our self management that's one bere ya wigerie shaitani your self management and kidra murira generation we will be useless people. Todo we are no longer using our brain. Technology ni okita gutweciriria. Ithue mathikore twathiaga tene mathiko dio kana kware ugo kwanyu Bishop Muthe dio kana kware ugo kwanyu sa Heriodi handu hake kinyamo giki ga ikurukia mwere kwaragwa anake ana maroga irima oguo ne kuga mbere ya roho mutheru harana habatarania anake mena hinya mbere ya roho mutheru harana hanaki harabatarania airetu mena rugare wa thakame nikatha mainire ngai ha maine koguo nange haha mena roho no tondu mwere ni muhinyirire ku ni muhotu thakame tihio ndangihota koinona na keo. So before you are ministered by the Holy Spirit, you need self-management. I am saying self-management. Kono ramenya niroka koina haha ukira rucini rika matumbi meri kana pancake ithatu tariwe horaga ndara mahuto ngota kuhura ndara mahuga oguo utarite na uri tuthukiria turiugaga ni ngoma we nayo ti ngoma ni ngaragu leo wokire ngia eigagirwo mwere andu makarugama tutigairie kurehe macini cia guthikana iciko ciehere ndiramurire muthenya ngithe ithuĩ tene gutia supermarket kwari to minimart na to wholesale twendagio ni atumia ta mamita drokasi wiki duke shuhururukite agakinya kou na ndari computer tiga kafuku kama ka exercise kama mathabu kare kare tuthanduku agakoria ateke micumari kilo cigana akiandikaga agacoka ageka mathabu akora ciothe ni 700 ukamune akarehe stage agathi akonga ni indo icio ciothe thaa ici thie hamutumia wa makara na ni haha wero-ini umure urenda ndo acoka computer ini te ndo cigana na ni makara ndo ena computer igirwo rungu rwa muti erugura muti handu ena kiruru ata computer we arore stock no kigwa kwira tutire na mado ati doi ni computer ya yoiga. We have stopped thinking. Ndira kore ni uri thamba mwiri ucokio gugu guare orekira na si nyumba ugire Google. So as I'm preparing you to get into this, there are things we're gonna address today. No ginya wait kire gutweka a quick thinker. Quick thinker. Togethomithia driving school. That's a principle. Na mnajua tunasomesha driving school. Na mkuja toppers driving. We have offers. Kedo kiabera kufundithia ndarafani kumurabia quick thinker. Tawara kegori. If you are a driver, na haha mbere yaku hena mundu umwe uratembea. Nefara gatagati. Na mwena uyu ni roi. Ogethi mwana wa roi no kuete utwarithitie bathi ya andu 60. Na haha he roi ugiherera mundu uyu guthi roi. Ogicoka mwena uyu ngikuhura bathi ingi ena andu taya. Ogeka atia na ndikurugama. Ete? What do you say?
Kumuliga.
Kuliga wo?
Mundu ucio.
Ucio.
Ucio mwe.
Ucio?
Mami.
Ucio.
Ucio mwe.
Why? As thinkers, araguthwo mwe niki? Osevu? Good. Kono kwa kwetagwo quick thinking. Na ndrakora ni now ni kaundu kanarua muno. Hau hatire tenga eno bathi oyo modororoi eni oyo neno ni arega breki. How ne kaundu quick thinking. Maisha manyu rigi muguaga tondu don't think quickly. You waste your time so much on one thing. Aka mkono wako juu. Wekelea kwa kichwa. Ugasaidia baba. Matthew chapter 2 verse number 2. Nyabe kuonie kaundu. Kana twambe tutike guthia hau. Tuthi haria twambitie ngirugamia. To twambire kurugamia ngetha twamurenda vashi. Our newest pastor mafuta inakupelekaje? Unasikia vizuri? Unasikia wewe mtu mkubwa sasa? Niwethe tayasha wa gukwira indo. Ai. Ndoro na thondoko mothi. Eh? Oh, I thought already niwethe teriu ashuka haria wina ndo. Eh?
Wenda kuneneha nyi.
You are good in answering questions. I admire you. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Appreciate the vashi. Thank you. Wenda kuneneha nyi. Now, we honored him. Tukirogamia session hiyo twambe tumwamure. But tukurogamia. The word was jata. Nigetha njoke haria ngumutwaraga jata. Na riu tuguthie the feed. Ara mandikaga mwandiki ara murumagira YouTube murumirire. We are going higher speed. Where are we? 1 Corinthians chapter 15 and verse number 40. According to Abere, ikomina no sorry, verse number 40. That's why we're gonna start. Joro, you must be very quickly. Before he get there, akawapi chairman wa youth. Enda pale. Tafuta kiti hapo. Karibu ama upewe microphone hata hapo huko. Microphone inasafika na uchukue Biblia. Wewe kaa hapo usome ukiwa hapo. Ikikushinda unapatia Monique. Ikikushinda unapatia Kiari hapo. Okay, nioka. Goda wekora we back up in case. Nigere kore mere ya igoro. Ya data wada mana inywe. 1 2 3. Nan kwe mere ya gokuthi. Atawa igoro ni wa mwanya na riwa iyo ya wathe ni wa mwanya Rio wari hau ne hore hau na mutiga thomithie riu thoma na moyo Rio wari nerere riri wario mwanya naguo mweriri weriri waguo mwanya ona cio jatari iriri wacio mwanya negukorwo jata o imwe ne kuranite na riri na jata iria ingi. Come on, ndorore mundu ora murigainie na umurore pio direct maitho umwire tutikahanana. Mwere pio na tutikaiganania riri. Yeah, we may be all women on the territory wega. Atumia ladies je kai uguo. Tarora uria muri aingi na tarora ikori mena ite haha special. Ado matikaiganana. To women, they are all ladies. No ni kuria mwe maretwo mam. Na ngamaretwo shosh. Na ngamaretwo boss. Na ngamaretwo ku gatagataini sweetheart. Na ngamaretwo darling. Na ngamaretwo nogo oku thini. Nogo eno. Totikaigana na kore omedetwo na kore omathuirwo. Okay, Mheshimiwa Sabina angeingira haha ni kurugama tukurugama na mutumia nginya atumia aria angimarugamira mwanamke mwenzao niki tondu njata yake ri ndihana yaku neguo mundu gwitwo Eunice angeingira handu na maingira na senator ni gwetherwo tei tondu tuka ni mama bishop Mrs na aragwira ni undu wa undu ungi ni ritwarie ne riratumarire. Hakuna bishop ndani yake. Mama Recho akiugara thoma kanitha umuthi nginya goko bara kungikora gweko hi na atumia aria mevara no thoma karugama niki ni undu wa njata yake irathomwo hamwe na ritwa riao Recho mutumia wao present wako job number what? Job number 1 mundu rarutaga wira number 1 mutumia wake hara hothe angithi njata iguru koguo tiga gutinda kiugaga atumia ayo anga oyo njata ici tikaiganana. We may be all men no ni akore gute nie makagai tani orero na Garissa president na mundu rumena timunene. By the way, I think nowadays I'm bigger than him. But look at him, aigira gari yake hena anake tathate mena thuti matengeragira thi ti gari ni mana no arume na mundu no arimuka na ciana ciake iramuona ona mama ni arona ate he mundu me wikari theini na hari ungi withi u njata itikaiganana uyo atengeragira thi urio ungi ahingurite haha iguru tutigai kumenana oguo niguo kuha na tutigai kumenana oguo niguo kuhana na tutigai koirana oguo niguo kuhana kwa mutumia tayo ainukaga oguo gwake hwaini ena savisia gari na kifeti agaikara thi gwake na kioyo agokira nigetha thiriko mutumia bionoke nigetha karugirio ria and they are both ladies. Todo mjata ihana oguo uyu arugagira uria na ciana ciake na murume na TV no nire makoma magacoka makona mubira maiganireire maguru we agithambia indo ndangithura nake koigererwo kugurui tondu hago kiigererwo ari onaho no riu ri njata nirarega njata yake regeire hau mutumia oyo agacoka agakoma agokira mbere oyo mwene akauma riri ona ndangicokania akoya ngari na kibeti agathie oyo agokira agacoka kuri ucio kira kucenjia mariri na macuka oguo niguo kuhana. We thio tugute kiwanja kiria githakiirwo mechi yo yathira
mechi eo yathira
and I'm telling you ogwana kwa jata
ihana
itikana na kuri ange maturaga mahinguraga gate getha ange maingire unafungua tu ona matigaithagio neho ni pipi aika ikarakorio kwani wewe ulikuwa wapi na ndari uhoro na ni ahoyaga rutha akone aciari ake na andu ake na guku ena Mungu haya acoka goka ndenda gukuonithia leo muthi tondu twina undu tugwika guku njata cianyu no nginya twanjie gucitindika tondu rira tuthomithike na mwarimu njata ni movement ithugutia ni mutwara gocie no muririkane kwari Milky Way Capricorn oti hai mwathani wa moka mutare thukuru mutikirika njata ore cia thondeka ka chain and tuthomithagio thukuru kwa Capricorn Scorpion Galaxy thank you kufunya na hariko sa James uma ha tolu sa James mando manajira ma kufunya no maundu ate tukufunya ndage menya githungu na no igwe tigithungu ni physics ya rathomithia tauga ringi ni arone
Galaxy
jata etagwo Galaxy na etagwo Gemini
Yes.
na
Taurus
ana chama chede de bere yani kai nikigituma andu aya airo mona ketametha maramenya and you see ne ore mato ikareire riu goko hatire mundu mweru urahara ki andu aya ero ni thina mutheri mwene ni ogie mabuku turegeire karaine the black is gold.
Another one Libra good na mutingiuga ne joe kindu na leo no jokio
Senator arauga ate ne ko Google. No, he's not using the phone. He's not. You see, these guys are good. And they are consulting there. Libra. Oguo murego tukiuga ate o jata niriritwa ona we ni uri jata yaku na niriritwa na jata icio ni imuvaga ikinyeo etagwa Milky Way tukiuma kesha ya yuthi ya thaa 8 torugamaga tuko gucirorera na ne weragwo ni mwarimu omicore kuma riera-ini uri hana na tugacora tugatwarira mwarimu na ritwa riayo na ni amuvaga jata yothe yarugamirio handu thiini waku tuoka kuga ne tuohora kira giothe kiohe guku thi na kio kiohorwo iguru koria urugo tikigirio karia wega kwande kogo tikigirio kandekana konyarirwo gutingigirio watungatwo kwe maundu matangikwo ni andu no ni magekwo ni ciana ciaku ni igagukinyia hari utakinyire akorwo ndugukinya twi nawe no ni nejeteketio akorwo nduri mukuo na nduri mukuru he kundu gukinya turi o nawe tondu njata yaku no ikuma otharira umagario waine tiguo umaga njata-ini wa njata ni slow. By the way, jata no yo emiaka gutumurika no mweri uthari wa riũa kuma riũa kumurika thi gutuikaga na approximately dakika 8 iria ciukaga nacio na iria na speed ya mairo 6 per second shone mira in speed nene muno 686 per second na yuke na dakika 8 ni rugendo ruraihu muno no ni tuigua gorugari ginya tugathithina tondu guo niguo wira wario akoro he mundu wi haha na we betwo eriwa no ni hari undu wari humberire tondu riri riria tutuka gutiraura na kwina heho ri irio atikohora ni koretwo rihoretio gutire mundu unagira riũa ngo ati ndanatwara asa ne kuhumbiro ri humbagirwo ni itu rikaga kumurika thi angikorwo he riũa ri haha riaigereirwo itu ria mithaiga ria family ria rejection ria depression ria scandal you must shine now.
Yes.
We are in February. Tugekinya December. Matumau makoro meherete. Na tumau makoro meherete. Na jata icio cikanjia kuoneka. Na mario amau makanjia kumurika. Tondu riri inyuothe mwi jata. Tanyiterera murugamite uguo urugamite gutanyiterera ngwire star gutire mundu tari star na ngwire o no korirwo we mukegu if you die. Todo starring matikuaga. On a movie starring takuaga. Now we are now when you are star in your own life, you should not die. You should not die. You are the star. I am the star. I will finish. Can you declare I will finish?
I will finish.
Can I see all the stars? All the stars. All the stars. Can the stars shine? Can the stars shine? In the name of Jesus. In the name of Jesus. This year 2024, your star will shine by God's mercy and the authority that He have given us. Atenekahika kedo wego kole na igoro hike nokahikura kedo wego kole na igoro hikoe twahikore na jata icio ya mahora biashara modie mwandikane modie muthome modie muthomithie modie muthuro modie mwetwo modie mwaparare modie muheo visa modie muhike modie ciana jata yothe eroshaina riu. Seated for a moment. Matthew chapter 2 verse number 1. Matthew chapter 2 verse number 1. Hey, I told you this is gonna be heavy. This is gonna be tough. Totirada kana makoma na mashaitani. Marama uga totiko hika. Na marama hujagio ne bisho modete ate he maro hame homo uga ati hida ti kinyu. Daimono ya procrastination. Ya ku hida ti kinyu nereu. Na dakwira o goma de saragia modo moru. Mashaitani matiethaga modo moru. Ne modo mwega. We ari mwega we mwene. Etagwo Lucy. Agaca kongerera fa. Lucy is a short name of Lucifer. A very sweet name. Netorogigwa Kathy, non Catherine. Jenny, non Jennifer. Okay? It's a short name. Lucy. Then it was Lucifer. It's a nice name. Then no get Lucifer and Jerry. It's okay. Leto aneriega. No leto aneri to makedo kemeno fure. Like now shaitani atumira nyoka meno for nothing. Nyoka is just an animal. No ndodo wakwa kana crochet. Amena to of you. The kyo leto le doiro. Delira ne idore. The kyo moderator kana delira. No kona do ne fani to ne meteka kira gwita Samson. Makemenya muthuri ucio ginya maitho. Na mathiireire kwao. Umothe ukihurukira Airbnb. No ndurafana ria terumene mahurukagira kuu ne mamenyekaga no ara mauma nao matimenyekaga maria tondu Grace ni etire wenzake na mera muthe ucio ne ahuruka ukai muhurie emwe evidence itikana ntoigirira kigenyo. Samson yende matikeaga kwireire kwao matikeaga maundu maria gereirio moru mot they hate Delilah, they hate Lucifer, but that notwithstanding, get this point, sheko shakuno ikoheretwa kana ikoime heka mona kana twetire gui isi hede amathiko mamuhiko gaitweta gui tafote gagetweka hiti riu ginya gondu twathi macerebu minene kokagara kakaheo handu ni cerebu hekiritu kiki kahingirite gui handu ta 10 gui ekima gigeta gui imwe JJ uma ikaruga gigeta gui yo gaca kama pasta kuria gui igikaruga wa gojiri ikaruga igikoga pasta kanyari atukura we kanyara bosoke akehiti nego tweta gui Utiro dotake kuhitithia. Jata yatu akumira no yumirire anywhere. Anywhere. Digo kienda muturike kana mutuike arevo ya gukinyara hujia. Kana mukinyara ri andu ari angi. But whatever your hands finds to do it diligently. You may never know where your star will shine from. I say you may never know. Amen. Now don't think I'm anywhere. I go nowhere. I go nowhere. What I do is what my mentor, Bishop Dr. Miles Monroe, said. If I will not go, the Holy Spirit won't come. I remain the manager. Now other managers freeze. Every other pastor freeze. Because the senior most is in. No de hera others shine. No de ho gamafuneka. Kogo nikyo ni mwejoka gathutha. Na nikyo hagereiro na makambuni ine ciaku korwo ni uri mairo rutaga. Ona twanora arira rimwe korwo utari kuo. Nigetha wamboi amenye kurugira tutu tungi. Nigetha yo mukorwo amenye kwarira yangi. Tondu riria riothe we kuo ni we uraraga. Kogo if you are always present, your children or your juniors will never learn anything. But you complain our bishop is absentee. I am trying to make you be a star. No way we wakuogidio. Urarira tonyo ndone ithire. Derire nigetha baba cia shine. Thire kanitha wa Murang'a nigetha chao cia shine because when I'm here no muri compare. Dana ikara hanga he mundu kihunjio nyonage muraya makindorera haria ginya kunjiko au. Kereu ni ukuhunjia ka toigwa no ni oguo. Why? Just because I'm present. There are people you live with 100 days, 100 years, they will make your star never to be noticed. Look at it. When you go to international marathons, na mahanya maria tuthiaga nja ya bururi. Ugakora atiriri. Ngoro yaku ni yambire kwimena ati ni wahotwo. Nyodo no wakora mundu witagwo Usain Bolt. Na we umete Kenya. Ona mutiri muratengera Miriam. No koigwa muratengera na Boro Titu. There are guys who are scared to hear to githomo kimwe. Ne they among the speaker. Makorage the host kumura JJ dakari mbere yakwa. Togucoka juke jugeki. That is not the case. Jata itika hanana. Ona mudhi ngine ya microphone. Kila mtu akona star. Kila mtu kuna yake. Then aniado ukompea. Omudu na jata yake. Na nikyo kena mundu kutofadi na ndo manyara. Mwanake utengera Kenya. Damakaga. Ona akora gle na asiage. Damakaga. Na heka ini tukarataga kogeta ko sheri yen Fraser. Praise. Karataga kwa muno twedugu nene muno no tutiri tuonana. Ona ndari anyona we ni ndi muna TV ni we ndari anyona to ndangirorera githima. Ni mu Jamaica. Ona ndoika ni kuri ni mu Jamaica. No muritu cio ndimwendeire andu mwe courage. Kumiraga gamere to Sherika Jackson anini kumukira. Lakini ndemu huyu tari ni last 2 years amakirie ni gold medal gold holder tugata gold medal holder yathi agashoka mama pio Sherry Ann agathi akage ihu akimenya ko ina mahenya rekana neha magathi maternity agasiara akogithia kana miari eno agacoka goka international ta imagine musiaire wamwekagio gu nena mwana ona mwana guko mwana ko rabaru kana ine no are ogithia ko guthuka na ogithie na areka oguo na arare guciara akora to mundu tutari twaciara ona na meciria ona ko imagine gaciare makaro on your marks okona mutumio cio ni agenagia ona kono ona iru tari age set muthiore gucomoka ndungiuga uma maternity because the star cannot be covered by anything. There is difference between a scar and a star. In your scars more than stars. Akorona hari mundu ngiandika ciugo icio ha TV ni no anyandikira kiugo kiu. Haha. Na wekira broad font. Use a broad font. Mwani ujira gaitako font. Font. Nigetha yume manamba mega in makikira font tijaga. How uguo. There is difference between a scar and a star. Bishop Mutheng, umepata hii? Hivyo tuembraceaga scars, not stars. Na nikio we niye de haha ngigathereria Sharian Fraser mutumia othiete gaciara hihi na niguthinjwo kana nomo agacoka goka koya thahabu turoragira nawe utuku muthuri uyu ya utu ati totorora tukorwo nawe muthuri uyu nginya gugathera na niwe muiritu ucio we magoka Sherika Jackson matingimuona na ni mutumia mukuru no star de na hubero ne scar inywe muroraga scar mundu ucio no mwamuona ekite ucio murona hau akiaria mungimenya make mungimenya ucio kiri andu moe giaku kingi ne scar not star na and they embrace the scar na rekagore kaundo kamwe thaici. There is a friend of mine we talk about DJ Pancras ni mukumuona muno guku. He taught me something in my office. Actually, Bishop, I no longer need friends. I need connections. Hey! Did you hear that? I said, did I need friends anymore? I need connections. To the friends no mago tuikira thina. Na no your friend WhatsApp group yaku ena thina. Ikona members 250 na koruto to giri 20. Ashone friends. No connections. Connection will connect you from point A to point B. Friends can never do that. Friends sometimes are dangerous. Not friendship. I'm there for. Am I hard on you? Am I too heavy on you? If you see it heavy, just raise your hand. I will repeat it for you. Na no nyenda tumia mea kwa jamii katika habere tonia togoria maigore ndirauga dirare kwa migogo na ria forithi tondu ndi muthigari. I was not there for friendship. I was there for connections. Tondu muhori wa biacara na gari yako no inyitirwo handu no gathimu munene ndireka connections. Wewe ikarite haha na arata Facebook we na mutual friend girinya no ngegwa haha na mukuoi na we bise go chati we bise ko follow no rumireo ni mutumia wa wanekire murume we bise we follow comment section we warrior we keyboard warrior ito to ha no horu tukinyete madu mara ore bible ugete mana kiro hitho-ini ado matianyitire tutiari to my bedroom. You are busy following. Wangare, you have mutual friend Facebook when agree that. Sabina Jerry when agree in your Facebook friends and you are looking for job. You are looking for job. Why? Because among these friends there is no connection. There is no. You only have friends. Go and look for connections. Because people in the line of connection will embrace your star, not your scar. Friends will embrace your scar, not your star. Am I teaching? Am I? Am I a good boy? Give me a clap then. Now you can monitor this. Your friends knows your weaknesses. They know your scars. How do we carry matter? Ne mo ginya no kire makiapa gamugongo wale moheuda we wa guthinjwo. They know all this. But those people you connect with atini ni nyendagia gacuma gaka na kaumaga netherandi naguo mucibi uyu magida no aendie kiambu adocio gutiri kindu kiki muri uranagia thimo-ini tiga murigo ni mukinyu murigo weha. You are in business, but friends is just gossiping. Ndamaki na munyite haha na aria matinagia toindo turia jaragia magekira TikTok. You are free to TikTok this, TikTok it. Ndamaki eturaga mai-ini ne toirio ni mai no turo wayo ni mai no ndukamake ni ukona mai o mau make participate kometherukia nigethe here. I quote, I repeat, Kajuka ta judging justice, let the justice in Zioki. I repeat. And I repeat. Mnajua let the justice in Zioki nyinyi? Kababe hakajui hiyo ni. Kababe juu hiyo ni nani hata kama utakimwehera hau. Atiri mundu gota kumukunya murinzi okino. Nyinyi mnamjua? Let the justice au gagatia. I repeat. And I repeat. And I quote. So I quote in the camera. Thamaki etoragio ni mai, ne toraga mai-ini, na muoyo wayo ni mai, na githakiro kiayo ni mai, riumagariro riayo ni mai, iundukiro ni mai-ini, no ndukamake, nigakora mai o mau participate kometherukia iriyo, the same water. The same water. I repeat, the same people you call friends, they will participate in boiling you. May God take you to connections. Come on. Can the camera get this? Can you capture this? Whichever the camera. On the switcher, which camera is more clearer or closer? Not behind me. Okay? Yeah. Whichever the camera that is streaming. Look at this. There's no friendship here. There's no friendship. This gadget and this gadget are not friends. It's a matter of connection. Simple. And the connection, now I hear you anytime you want and connect somewhere else. No damage. But if this and this are friends, korutania hane turani di nyudo na hago thone nyudo kimwana gigukua orata wothe ni ori damage control ni ori mahia na okoregia debris on a divorce nere debris na ithokaga mena yothe gutira nyombe mamora gona de corona takataka one no ito tokiuga ni turathamia hero ritainya cia waste there is dogesiona but waste is here not to require debris. There is no disconnection without breakage. But when you are in a connection, it's a matter of connecting. I am busy doing connections. You are busy making friends. And you are busy go thiororo maratathi maku ogietha wira. Tondu nduri mundu muya-ine ungikwandikithia kana ungiku connect. Guy. Tutigathome haria tu mai githomo giki turiki to sawa
Mathayo 2 na muhari wa mbere na riri hindi ria Jesu aciarirwo Bethlehemu itura ria Judea matuko ma muthamaki wetagwo Herode gugiuka andu ogi a njata Jerusalemu moimite
wewe nyita hau gugiuka andu metagwo
ogi a njata
oguo to njata tu. Hey, dia kan mora harakedo. Tojata tu kwena ndo mena uelendi. Ebu sema uelendi. Seneta dinagwa uelendui. Dauga uelendi. Sema uelendi. Si uelendui. Huh? Okay, uelendi. Yeah, si uelendui. Uelendi yani ni watu wako na ujuzi, kwa lugha nyingine wako na ujuzi, wako na ufahamu kuhegerera yes odu mohegereire njata unanipata kabisa Grace. Njata yo yaku no yage kuguteithia ungiaga connection na ogi ayo. Ogi no tutore hamwe tutare twagia na mugi woguo twendaga gwika. Na kuna ndo ngimagirwo gugutindika otherwise you lose it. Gogiokogia njata maumite Bethlehemu
moimite kuria Jeru irathiro-ini makiuria atiri
makiuria atia
uria uciaritwo muthamaki wa Ayahudi ariha
gotiare Facebook gotiare kindu kia online kuria mari kwao Bethlehemu Negetha maikoroke Jerusalem neko maumako. Toe hamwe. Tomenya maumako mathiko. Jerusalem Bethlehem. Jora utaturudisha nyuma kiasi. Maumete? Afana. Jesu no asiro Bethlehem. Nira Jesu asiro Bethlehem itura rya Judea matuko mamuthamaki wetagwo Herode. Goge okando oge jeta mumete Jerusalem ya. Maumete Jerusalem gutire mundu amera gutire radio gutire TV. Mamenyithio niki na star. Jata ni anagirira. Sometimes you don't want to tell people you are beautiful. Beauty will speak for itself. You don't tell people you are preacher. Preaching will tell people. You don't need to say I'm a teacher. Teaching will tell us. Drovatara kutakadithia thukuru TV ine kana radio ine. Result is your form 4 na study 8 na igatora na thukuru jaga. Na ne kyogo thukuru isiakaga ando na igene jihoru. Tondo result iri raumire. Necio cietaga ciari. Jata ne yanagirira. Ngai arateithia jata cianyu cietane. Na haha nĩ horito wa gĩthomo gĩakwo rĩ. Haha nĩ horito wa gĩthomo gĩkĩ. Maguta-inĩ. Hau nĩ ho ndetwere rĩu. Nĩ ũranyita Calvary. Jata yaku no nginyege na mũndũ ũkũmĩona. Like myself, I saw a star in you. You are a great singer. A great worshiper. Na kuna wasichana nilichukua nyimbo zao nikatuma kupitia Dorcas za wazungu hivi. Wanaiba na huku Kongo. Nikasema mfanye nyimbo zao. Muliziona Deborah somehow. Mulizifanya Sophie? Deborah nani? Eh? Lukalu. Because when I saw her singing, I see you. When I see her Sarah Kay singing, I see you. The type of worship. When I see Marianne singing, I see Christine. Amen. When I see the evangelists who evangelize from music, I see Sophie. So when I see these stars amongst you, when I see great backups in the great meetings, I see Magda, I see VG, those people who give heavy backups. You pray one song for Lukaku, these people see how music is done. When I see this team seated there, but sometimes I look and see no one is seeing the star. They are the star. Jatanira hupironi kidu. Nanoginye hupurio. I told this guy, ako imori wa drama. Wagiru kuruga drama siya Nigeria. Dramis a Congo. For you to raise levels. The same case to Kamenjo. The same case to Nico. Happy Nico. Wanaitwa? Ati John Musapele.
Naitwa John James ama JJ.
Oh, John James ama JJ, jina kubwa hilo. Jina kubwa. Kama ni kucheza vyombo, ni kucheza kabisa, ni kukolea. In whatever you do, let your star be seen. Kama ni nyinyi wahubiri, soma Biblia. Read the word of God. Get deep to the scriptures. Mimi naweza soma Biblia mpaka asubuhi. Tuko na microwave pastors. Tonora noko hucheza nyanya Google. Na kaje so akerera ugoka. You know, you are just a microwaving niko hiyo wa hiyo. Na riu tha ici ndona mana hujurio ni andu oke muno, especially andu priesthood. Ayati ako hujurio mundu wothe. No ngoro itari ku muhujurio manyandikagire text mundu. Oto wonire agitweka oguo. Wae agitweka ati muthuri. Kwa Jeremia kwa thuri yake mandu ona matinje taka Archbishop. Yo majira muthuri thayo. Kayo mudu agitweka ati So that's why I'm telling my team, you must read the Bible. You must do the research. You must know your star and your strength. Ogia jata. Aria moka kama kona jata ya mudu na makoria eha. Ate mageuka makioria eha. Tothie joro eha verse 2. Makinya makioria aha. Orio ciareirwo twetereire njoroge one. Orio ciaretwo muthamaki wa Yahudi yani moka gwetha njata Ngai omothe arotumana githomo-inĩ gĩkĩ njata yaku yanjia gwethwo njata yaku yanjia kũrio arĩ ha mũirĩtu ũrĩa ndonete hana ũũ arĩ ha niĩ nĩgetha thiĩ UK US rĩa mbere niĩ nĩ gwethwo ndethirwo. Senator, I can tell you, our sister Mary Wamboi, she's a pastor now. By then, she was just a gospel singer and a good singer. I go to the kitchen to Marak with them. No, Nanimaja they take to Araquao. Come on, sir. Kagaria Kagaka to Karamanera, Gino code and a cold week of talk. Dakinya Geheo, ice cream. Otoga donidero ice cream otuko. Don't play around with money. Money. Ice cream. Ne aba konyi toga ni nayo. Mwadhani wa moyo. Tikatufia. Ni joine to gwithamba moko turiye. Twarehiro tutauro twa white to hiyo. Tukuje togono tukanyitwo na mucobi na nituranunga kaundu na ne twina gatogo ndarutiro gwe ndanengerwo ngeririkana githirite ni arite o ini mahuma itonga ben githaya ati mahuma itonga makome ma girini ni akahorire kanua eragwo tiga kuria nie ne ndakimenyete thuru koigua ngimenya niko riu ngimenya riu kuria ndehirwo ni kuria kuo with a lot of respect ginya ne kwaje ndireto mutungatire ndireto fuana let me tell you, Geheo wings to agoko. Gilda. Geheo fish fillet. Gilda. Ogega kora ithenya ina tareu mundu athia ginya kioro ogatahiko gacoka. Tondu ndoyo kari oguo ringi. Kana okaruga oguo pi oguo. How no hoderi we are taking you to America. Gemoria how? Gero no leave it to us. Gemera doesn't matter manyu ma visa di kesoka kurege makejino ndoko haya. Muthuri ucio ageta mwana koka kamura yoria maundu ma muthuri uyu. Makeka booking makereha geheo muthenya guthi kugira. Kuthi kwa interview gethie geheo gioya gereherwo ndege makejira kwaja ni mathiaga. To muthenya ucio ndare na mucemanio. Kanitha ine ndingihotire guthirira marenda tuthie. Makejira na mathiaga Atlanta Georgia. No makejira ora wothe ngwika. No ria gashuka no ria gasetia mugithi na namba iria ngaroraga to ngira rungu megithine ngarora mugithi urauma nako nyingire D nyumere 47 dauma ngamba the stairs ninga kora ningi hando hena kihingo hetuke kihingo kau ni ngona hando ndege iraingirirwo ndore ndege yakwa ngiture ino orientation mugothie thabari cia kunene tondu ndamenyerete touma githurai uthi mwihoko ungiuma mwihoko hero we wagatara congeringa nako ukore kasarani ringi na no ukone we santo ni uringe mweki we hau go ikuruka mirema uhituke tanacia chini ukinye kwa mweni ni ndoyo uguo no riu maria ndirerwo no Ngai ni mwega ne hete quick thinking danyitire mothe and I found myself in Atlanta Georgia without applying. Star ilitafutwa, nyota ilitafutwa. Chokwa borera do ina kihorera thimo akijira kura me UK na niwe maroria kana no witikira guthie looking for the star ando ito mwena njata no he ngoma yukaga ikahubira to kama miwitu toka tu hanini na mujukire na shukore ndio no wao ukana shukocio ukatohujie mudebora witu guonia haha mutumia muta mugiru murora wega tiga no thina wa maitho na mutumia muthaka shida ni macho tu na matigikorogo maisha maitho maya wonaga maitho mana maigeti kurwara. Most of them to Hayagiro University ni makuonania level of academics. Ikiwa wakili munene, judge munene, surgeon, doctor, gynecologist, all of them makona mashisho. Yeah, ni magithomo maya ti kurwara ona ni meharia, not for sickness. So these are my learned fellow. Now look at her. Tajirai othaka wake weha. Is she brown or dull or dark? Yes, I need to show can you mutikede dakare. The cake take the work of your mukenu. Mutumio no ramenyo rehana. Ni ari dimples, ni murona. Ni ari thenya. Niki kirato mwage kuona. Ogwo neguo njata ciekagwo. O neguo arogi mekaga. O neguo atata wanyu magwikire. O neguo aria mendaga murume guo mbere. Okewini neguo mekaga. Ni akemwe no matigaciara. Ni akemwe no utura ngui. Ndamutigeire Ngai. Gunairu rere ginya Ngai akandeheria. Eyo ne vero. This is what people do. Agene aciari makuria gitiga kwenda ndagwetire ndi murwaru na nduke. Ona nduka ngetherwo ni mundu. Na ni matikonda wendaga kwa guthie ndwari kindu. Na nikyo njiraga ciari tigai gutigaga irumi. Ange muraruma matire wera matinda jivanji. Agiotario wa etereire kamujengo na gatina umira. Na wena kirumi uramutiga tonda naikia kindu M-Pesa. Ti andu othe mena kindu kia M-Pesa haha. Ona inyu mwena ciana ikondo. Tigai gutinda mukimetia ringi matire. Ndirarie my son kana no ke birthday yakwa. Ndiraiguire ati ndina birthday ya miaka 50. Ndamuria ranjira akorwo ni aguka tena no ka kindu 2027. Gloria Jesus. Yani mundu ranjira ogwo, mundu nie mwene na moko makwa. Ndirathondekire muthenya ungi nie mwenyewe na moko maya. Loko no loko generera. Ate ndakuoneka. Na bado. Dike kasi na dike ugondo. Na dike da kuhubira. But there are people who rush to do this. Mwahitani hanini ekwago. Mwahitani hanini tying, cussing, tying. Lewe ikianyi nukona nikita kaumira. Nikita no utaguo. Niguo withakariri. Niguo muhiki toyo wathakarire. Niguo kada teno ina hinya. Na ndiri wira. Mwana toyo ndari mundu ono kimugeithira githomo giathira. Matira kuona. Niguo brother, ndirahitia. That's true. Tutirakiaria muno no gwika uguo. Tundanagirira muno, ndukanarume Ngai ya mundu eho. Eruma gwathie. Kira kike gukinyia hau niki. Kira kike tuma wage gukura. Undu-ini umwe witagwo cege wa maguta. Jeri wa dawa. Kamau wa migate. Maina wa meithikiri.